Welcome to CarterEats. Today is spaghetti shrimp tacos. Spaghetti shrimp tacos. For Taco Tuesday. That's raspberry pomegranate and a little sweet tea. Welcome to CarterEats. Today. My name is Lisa. Thank you for clicking on the video. I appreciate that so much. Super hungry. The sweet tea. We had some leftover this, that, and the third. I'm craving shrimp. Get your spice blend. Get it. It is that good. It is worth getting. It is an all-purpose, low-sodium spice blend. You can't go wrong. It can go on vegetables, fruit, chicken, meat, poultry, everything, fish, noodles. Let's say grace and let's eat. You can cash at me. All the instructions are in the description box below. That box right there is full of spice blend just for you, and you. Okay, now, a little housekeeping. Thumbs it up. Share me out. Subscribe right now. My husband's on the other side of the camera. He's meal prepping. So we're actually going to get out his way in a minute. I'm using some of Chick-fil-A's ranch dressing. I always use ranch on my spaghetti. I love it. You can use sour cream. You can use what you like. I'm also going to put some down here on the salad because I may need some roughage. I don't know how much I can get through, so pray for me and I'll pray for you. I hope you're staying focused in your word, watching God, pushing yourself to be better than you were yesterday. Yes? Good. Let's talk about Monique. Yes. But hold on. Let's eat. Amen. Their ranch is good. Chick-fil-A. Happy Taco Tuesday. I'm going to show you whose tacos these are. It's the taco kit. And it's crunchy, grain-free. Is that what that said also?
Garden of Eden. You say what it was? Yellow corn Garden of Eden. Taco kit.
Shrimp just keeps bouncing out. Your pan's on, boo-boo. Ooh, that's good. That's the tail. That's the tail. We're going to stir fry it.
Well, not really. I'm just going to marinate it a little bit. Get it in there. I got to put it in the microwave anyway.
See, I should be on Mr. Do It Now. doing his whole meal prep ministry. It's hard to be everywhere. He just cut the steak up with the scissors. So he's gonna make like a stir fry. He's amazing. Amazing. I hadn't brought Sally out in a while. She cute. She layered. I don't get that. Happy Slay Timber. Oh, that's so good. I'm trying to savor my bite. Mm. 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 I meant to turn off the dishwasher. The Lord told me to do this. I knew it was going to be good. And he told me to do it Friday night. I didn't have strength. Mm. I'm trying to talk to you. It's my first meal of the day. It's 2 o'clock.
That's the meal prep with the steak. Cook it, turn it over,
How did it look? I had my head down.
and take it off. The reason I do that, so this is medium rare. The reason I do that is because I do have a microwave at my job. It's very hot, so I don't want it to well done it too much. And over there, it'll get well done. I'm leave it medium rare so I can at least have some kind of softness to it.
How y'all say it? That looked it.
Okay, I'm done with this right here. I need not Spanish, I'm good.
If you haven't seen Charlie Daniels, Lee Daniels, Deliverance, it's not a family movie. It's for adults, in my opinion. They give us 1 movie, 2 movies at best a year with Black Half, where we get to get excited about it. This was that. But everybody's talking about how she looked like Rihanna. But can we talk about sis Monique making a comeback? I I know she's got to be 62, maybe 57. She looks good, and I salute her because she's a really, 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 really good actor. Yes, she was, and it looked effortless. And I want to see her do more movies. She did do the one on BET, and I still trying to see that one where they did the seance at the kitchen table. But I'm thankful. What she had a falling out with Tyler and Oprah, not Lee Daniel. So Lee said, I got one for you. So shout out to Lee. You know, that's what's up. She really, hopefully she can get back to more movies, not just black movies, but really she's a good actor. So we want to see her back and working, right? We know she still does the comedy routine, but she had a lot of challenges, and she held her ground. And like Taraji P and all of them had to say after the Color Purple, the movie, clearly there are some behind the scenes stuff that makes you frustrated and already paid your worth. So go ahead, Monique. What y'all doing today? Are you gonna try some shrimp taco, spaghetti, some shrimp spaghetti tacos? I hope you do, because you're gonna find out that they are delicious. Now, if you see the ranch dressing at Food Lion, if you see the ranch dressing at Walmart, the Chick-fil-A, get there, get there, get there, get there, get there. This is a part of Slay Timber. There's a collective of content creators doing Slay Timber. If you see the hashtag Slay Timber, jump on board. Shout out to Vicky, Essence of Science, Cherise, Jamie. I'm about to lose my time. He's over there talking to himself. Oh God. Stuff falling. You ever look at somebody's face and they look so pretty? I just looked at my husband's face. He looked good. It could be because I shaved him this morning. So tell me in the comments what you guys did this weekend. Does it look good? Who told me I couldn't eat all? We give Blake her shrimp and give Papa one, right? Everybody seen Priscilla Mukbang? Alright. If you do, tell her I asked about it. There you go. That's what you want. That's what you want. That's what you want. Everything. Noodles, shrimp, meat, fish, chicken, steak, pork, rice, tomatoes, cranberry, everything. your gold gland glasses. Use the code Carter. And I have a Lume Carter down, a Lume link down there too. And don't forget our Amazon affiliate link. Happy Slate Timber. It's Slate Timber. Slate Timber. He called me weird. Slate Timber. Boom. Bye.
Do or die, open up your eyes, head to the sky, keep a mean bad mommy on the side.